Hey guys, happy Tuesday and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette and the reason why I cash stuff is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we are going to be doing our variable expenses, which is my wallet. We're also going to be cash stuffing our sinking funds as well as my business bills. Now I do have the January challenge that I finished last week. So there's a total of $75 in here. I'm just going to take this out and add it towards the pile because it is going into my sinking funds. Let's just make sure I took everything out. Okay, so that's going to be added into my sinking fund. So I'm just going to add it to the money I have here. Also in this video, I do have a challenge in my Budget Besties book that I do want to close out because I only owe $1 to it. So we're going to do that as well today. And yeah, guys, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with our mood tracker as well as our no spend. So the kids already got picked up today. So I had another no spend day today. And today is the 28th. Okay, so I'm going to bring out my Budget Bestie binder out. Okay, and let's add to the mood tracker. I have some money here. Okay, I think I'm going to take a 5 out. Okay, I'm going to add a 5 to right here. Okay, so let's start off with our mood tracker. And this mood tracker is from Dreamy Budgets. I will link her down below. Okay, so today's the 28th, and I am feeling very, very happy. So I'm going to put a pink heart for today. And I'm going to add $3 to this. So let's see if I have any change in here. I think I do. So I need $2 back. Perfect. And then I'm going to add the $5 to this. Okay. So that is that. Now for no spend, we had another no spend day today. So that is going to get a purple slash. Let me just grab my purple my purple marker and put a slash right here. So today's the 28th. So we have 3 more days. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Now I'm going to move into the challenge that I wanted to finish. So that challenge is from SNC Budget Creations. And I wanted to close this out because it is a January challenge. And yeah. Okay, so we needed $1 here. So I'm going to add the $1 to this. Okay, and then I'm going to color it in. There goes that marker again. Okay, there we go. Okay. So this challenge is complete. And it gave us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we have a completed challenge here. I'm just going to pin this in. And I do have my dinger out to show that we finished a challenge. So this is from Donna Power by Creativity. And this is actually the first dollar I'm adding to this envelope. So go check her out. Get the envelope. It's for a small fee. And also I have a tracker here. So today is the 28th. I'm going to put the collab challenge. And the balance again was, how much was this for? And I'm going to add this to my, wait, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. To my lockbox. And then I'll count all that money at the end of the year or maybe in 6 months. Let's see how I do it. Okay, so I just lost. Did I say 14? I think I said 14. Okay, I'll fix it later. So 14. So that's our first challenge finished. And that is our first challenge finished in our Budget Besties binder. Now, I think I have one more I actually want to finish. Let me see. This one has $3. I kind of want to finish all the New Year's one. This one needs $2. You know what? Let's see if I have. Okay, I do have some money. Okay, so I'm going to make change real quick and we're going to actually finish a couple of these. Okay, so I have $10 here. I just made change for 2 5s. And we're going to finish a couple of these. Okay, so I'm going to finish the Happy New Year one as well because I want to close it out for January. So we needed $2 here. So I'm just going to slash it because I don't have my black marker on me. And this is my challenge available at my shop. It's in the description box. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that's $16 with this challenge. And we're going to ring the bell again. And I'm going to add $1 to this. Let me just get my tracker. So 128. We have the New Year's challenge. Let me count that again. So we have a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So $16 here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that's the second challenge we finished today. I usually do this on Sundays, the Budget Bestie Binder, but I kind of want to close this out before Sunday and add some new challenges in here. So in Sunday's video, you'll see some new challenges in these envelopes. Okay, so let's see what else we're going to do. Okay, let's finish this one here. This is by Tiny Budget Co. and it needs $3. So let's complete this challenge as well. Let's color in the 3. Let's add $3 to this. And let's ring that bell and add $1 to our ding, ding, ding. Okay, so that's 3 challenges completed. Let's ring this bell. Let's add, we need $2 in here actually, because I didn't put the other one. So we have a total in here of $3 now. And let's put it on our tracker. I like to keep track of everything. So Tiny New Year. And that was a total of, why do I keep on miscounting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15 here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Okay, so that's that for our Budgie Bestie Binder. Let me just put this away. Super cool. We did 3 challenges today. And I think that was all I wanted to do. Yeah, like the New Year's ones I wanted to finish. Okay, that is it. Okay. And then I did the no spend. Okay, so let's jump into my wallet, which is my variable expenses. And I also made a savings challenge for February. So I'm going to show you guys that. And it'll be below in the description box in my website. So I'll show you that towards the end of the video. Okay, Budgie Besties is done. Now let's get into, I don't know what I have this money out for. Did I add money to, I did. Okay, I don't know why I have that money out for. Oh, okay, it was part of the January collab. Okay, I'm all over the place. Okay, so moving on to my wallet. So in my wallet, everything is going to get $5. I have nothing left except groceries because we did a big grocery haul. So that's not getting anything this week, but everything else will be getting $5. So toiletries is going to get a total of $5. Out to eat is going to get a total of $5. Super exciting. I finished 3 challenges today. Kids is going to get $5. And that was money that I had already allocated for my savings challenge video on Friday. But let's see what happens if I re-up on it. Spending is going to get $5. Self-care is going to get $5. And miscellaneous is going to get $5. Okay, so that is it for my wallet. Now moving on to my sinking funds as well as my business bills. And I'm actually going to cash out my Shopify, add it to my account because I do have to pay that out. So that money is going to be taken out of here. and going to the bank. Okay. So let's get started with sinking funds. Okay, can you guys see that we're in frame? Let me move all these markers because we don't need them. But we do need our pink one for our trackers. Okay, let's get started. So back to school is going to get a total of $20 this week. And remember, guys, I added the money from the January challenge that I finished, the scratch and save. So this is part of that money as well. Okay, so that's 20 in back to school. So let's take this out. Today is going to be the 28th. 1/28th, and we're adding a total of $20 to this. So let's count this out. Oh my God, did we hit 100? Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So next week I'll put $100 placeholder, or I'll do it off camera. And yeah, this money is going to the bank. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Like, we're hitting our $100 marks in our folders. Super, super cool. Okay, so this is the IOU. Remember, my daughter took out from kids, and she did that on the, I didn't write it down. I think it was the 21st. No, this is actually when I stuffed it. So she did take $20 out of this. I'm just going to add the $20 back in. And this is going to get a total of $20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So like I said in my last video or the video before that, anything that I take out of my sinking funds, I am going to try to put an IOU slip so I can put it back in, because I do have a goal for the end of the year, and I honestly do not want to take against these, even though it is for taking against them in case you have an emergency. But I'm going to try my best. Like, if I take out of this, I'm going to like replenish it. So today is the 28th. It got a total of $20. Is this kids? Was it kids that I took out of? Yes, it was. Okay. I didn't jot it down though. Negative 20. Okay, I didn't jot it down. All right, so 128 is getting $20. So let's see how much we have in here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have a total of $80 in here. Okay. Okay, the next one is going to be holidays. And holidays is going to get a total of $20. Okay, let's take out 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, now holidays has a total of 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. So we have a total of $91. We added 20, and today is the 28th. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So you see how the money grows? It doesn't matter how much you're adding to your folders, it will eventually grow. So even if it's $5, some weeks I do $5. I'm glad I finished the challenge so I can add to it. But yeah, just keep on trying with your folders. Okay, 128. This is back to, birthdays. Birthdays is going to get a total of $20 as well. Okay. So birthdays now has a total of 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So $100 in birthdays. Super cool. So again, guys, any challenge that I finish on Fridays will go to sinking funds as well as 6 months of expenses. And anything as far as like the challenges that I have, like the budget bestie, and I don't know, colorful Mondays I am adding in there too, and that's actually my challenge as well. And the hop and all that, everything's gonna go into that lockbox. Okay, so we have home repair. I just made a quick little envelope here and added, I had this envelope. So home repair is going to get $10. So this is the first time we are actually stuffing it. And I have to make a tracker for it. So home repairs is going to get $10. Okay. Okay, now moving on to our business bills. So Shopify is going to get a total of $15, and then I'm going to take this money out. 5, 10, 15. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45. Okay, so $45 is going to the bank, right? And then taxes is going to get a total of, I think I have $5 here. Yep, $5. Okay, so in taxes, we have a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So $50 in taxes. And that is it for my sinking funds as well as my business bills. In tomorrow's video, we will be doing our 6 months of expenses, right? That's it. I'm going to add this money to my lockbox. And this was cool. I can't believe like I finished 3 challenges. I should have wrote the amounts in the front. I'll do that and then add it into my lockbox. Now this one is reusable, so I'll just wipe it off and probably use it again. I don't know yet. Let's see. But I do have, oh, that's what I was going to show you guys. Okay, so we finished with the sinking funds, and I'm actually going to add this one to it because I did make a new challenge, and it's like a Valentine's Day challenge. And this is available in my shop. So I made a love challenge, as you guys see here. And I'll be adding that to the budget bestie. So there it goes. We have $1, $2, $1, super, super cute. This is available in my shop. If you guys are interested, it is reusable, so you can erase it and reuse it again. So this is going to be the challenge for February. I do want to do a couple of more, but this is what I have so far. So I'm going to add that into my Budgie Bestie binder. Again, all the information as far as my shop is in the description box. And yeah, guys, this is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Make sure you check out yesterday's video. We did our Colorful Dollar Mondays. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.